Hi lovelies, so today on my vlog I am going to be showing you one of my weekend hustles and how I get to the venue. So it's more like I'm into events. I'm an event girl, but I have not actually showed you guys that aspect before. So today I'll be showing you what it looks like going to the venue, and let's go. So guys, I'm on my way now. The thing about my area is that you have to just hail the ones you need to hail, greet the one you need to greet. So I'm going to Yaba. The venue is in Yaba, and I'm finding my way to Yaba. Then from there find my way to the venue. I am going to, yes, Lagomeji side. So I'm taking a small bus now to Yaba. Stay with me. So guys, remember I said I was going to take the small bus. Well, fortunately for me, after greeting my neighbor, I got a free ride to at least halfway my destination. So we're still going. And still, if you want to get to Yaba from Onikpan, especially when you're inside Shomolu, you could just take a small bus going to Yaba, direct straight up. So and most times the bus is usually 100 naira, but when there is a little bit traffic or the road is bad, they tell you 150. So take note, if you're coming from Shomolu, depends on the place in Shomolu, the Akpata region, even Market Street, you could get a bus from that side to Yaba for 100 naira. So let me enjoy my free ride, and I'm happy I'm saving like 100 naira. 100 naira is big money now in Nigeria, so I'm glad I'm saving it. So guys, I took a keke now, going to Oimbo. So my landmark is basically Panti, and I took the alternative routes. Instead of going all the way to Yaba, I just went through Waek, because the free ride dropped me off Waek. So I'm using a keke now, going to Panti, because that's my landmark. So it's a little bit noisy. I told you there are some places in Nigeria that are so noisy. Oh my goodness, I miss vlogging in IIT. I would not even shout. I was not even using my mic, but now I regret for not even taking my mic out. But still, well, you can still get me. So let's go. Oh, not nice. Woo! Woo! I have catching. Thank you. Yes, I'm doing it vlog. Guys, I made a new friend. Okay, I made a keke friend, but it's not a driver. It's a keke friend. See, he's even helping me on my bag. My bag almost dropped. All in the name of, I wanted to just show you people something. Everyone is appreciating me for this vlog I'm doing, but I enjoy doing it. I lost my handkerchief. My handkerchief actually fell down. So he's helping me on my bag now. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi. So I am Judy, tell you what.
Kule Black.
Kule Black. Comedian or what? If your name sounds like a comedian.
I'm a teacher.
Wow. Which school?
Not a school. My son has school.
Wait, let me understand something. You are a teacher, but you solve math problem. Mathematics teacher. Woo! There's one thing I've never did. Being a math teacher. My math was not that bad, but I know if I teach anybody, it's going to be zero. So guys, meet Kule Black. He's a math teacher. I am a project manager. Well, you know, today I'm doing a vlog. I'm actually doing a vlog covering my weekend also.
Oh, that's really
So during the week, I'm a project manager. But during the weekends, I'm an event girl. So we do both event coordination and hostessing. So we do both together. So welcome, please to meet you.
Thank you. Like I said, I'm a math teacher and also a realtor. But first of all, I'm a math teacher. That's right, for a living.
For a living, that's nice. Alright guys, so we keep going and we're at St. Dominic's Yaba. So St. Dominic's is also a very key point when you're going to anywhere around Adekule. So when you get to St. Dominic's, you see Cold Stone. Let me show you guys. You see Cold Stone, you see St. Dominic's, you see the place is just the other one. So when you see landmarks like that, just know that you are going to anywhere along Panti, should I say Alagomeji also, because Alagomeji has two sides. So keep going. So guys, this is Sabo. So any landmark going to, like I said, Panti, you get Sabo is a landmark. I think there's something about today, guys. Today is my lucky charm day. First, I got a free ride to Hawaii. Second, the young man paid for my ticket. I'm saving money today, people of God. Today's just a right day for this vlog. So, 100 naira again in the pocket. So I've saved 200 naira. I'm going to use the money. That's if I don't even get on that free ride back. So it's a good day, and I'm still on my way. Still stay with me. This is what we go through. Lagos is noisy, gosh. This is what we go through as event girls. We try to locate the venue, and when we get to the venue, we start walking. So the hustle is real, guys. It's Lagos. Everyone needs to create a means of survival. And a good means of survival is the event industry. You could actually work as a coordinator, a hostess, even male. There are male hosts now. Some companies, the company I'm working with today, we actually make use of male hosts. So that is it's just a flow. Enjoy, guys. Guys, this is my driver for today. He's a very cool person. I love his haircut. I've been admiring the haircut from behind. Say
Hello.
So we're going to Panti. I'm not going to Panti police station like to be jailed or no, that's my bus stop. So guys, let's go. I'm enjoying this vlog, and do you know what? Everybody has alighted, so it's like as if I'm taking a ride here. Vlogging is sweet when luck is on your side. Hey. Like about a minute and a half. In fact, 2 seconds. If I throw a stone to enter the police station, I'm just joking, but that's a joke. I cannot even throw stone. Talk about entering the police station. I don't want to be jailed for vlogging. And I know you guys will miss me, so I'm not going to be jailed for vlogging. I'm almost there. A small stone throw. You guys should see it from here. ABC Street. ABC. So guys, I'm actually going to take a bike there, and you see what I told you, the essence of bike comes in some importance. So I'm taking a bike to my venue. Is that very annoyingly crazy? My God. Guys, I just got to my venue, and you want to show? You want to feature? See my bike, man. Say hello. So I'm now going inside. So let me pay. I'm going to the venue now. It's actually an estate. No, yeah. Guys, I'm in the venue. Let's go to the venue now. It's going to be 2. This guy is just going after 2. So guys, I just got to the venue, and guess who I saw? I wasn't expecting to see her. Do you know why? She used to take 50 hours to make up. So I'm going to show you guys that I'm really right when I say she takes 50 hours to make up. I came, okay, I didn't come before. She actually directed me to this place. I wanted to like brag that I came before her. So this is what we do on the weekend. That girl over there, she's a surveyor, a land surveyor, a good land surveyor, and she does her work really well. I've seen her work before, and I was really surprised that such a girl, like, you know, cute looking like this, go and be standing on mud, on dirty things. But on the weekend, she comes here to cash out. She cash out weekend like me. So I am a project manager during the week, like I said, and an event girl during the weekend. She's a land surveyor during the week, and on the weekend, when she's not surveying no lands, here. So stay with me, guys. Okay. So we're about to dress up now, and this is what we are wearing. I'll show you guys what we're wearing. Move away now. You don't want to show. So I'm basically going to do my makeup first. I'm going to do my makeup first. And not too hard. I'm not the celebrant, so you don't do anything too much. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me just manageably show you guys the process of a very simple makeup. Then the last thing is just apply my lip gloss. So guys, I want to tell you something while coming to the venue today. So I learned one lesson about the essence of greeting today. When I was on my way to the venue, I greeted a neighbor of mine and I told him, I just greeted them, you know, we laughed, and then I left. So while on my way, the same neighbor was the one who actually offered the free ride. Then while we were on the ride, he was like, I like you and your sisters, and I am not the only one, and everyone, your neighbors, everyone around seems to like all of you because you guys always greet, like especially in a Yoruba setting, Yoruba land setting, where respect is really expected of every young person. And he has also noticed that even the neighbors, some of my neighbors, they usually sit in a group every afternoon or evening. So anytime we're coming back and we're about entering the gate, they are expecting us to be, and they are waiting for us so that they can respond to our greetings. So it was like, it's really nice that we're well trained and all that. You know, when somebody is actually giving you a compliment and it's good, but you don't know how to accept it, so just smile, thank you, sir. So the essence, what I'm trying to say, guys, it is good to greet anybody. You don't know who is watching. People are watching you. People are watching your mannerism, the way you carry yourself. And it's also good to, not that you greet everybody on the road, but greet people around you, because even if there's a problem today, they'll be the first people to reach out to. So if you've not adopted the habit of greeting, with or without being in a Yoruba land, learn to greet anybody and everybody, especially your neighbors. You mustn't be so friendly with them, but just simple courtesy and greeting takes you a very long way. So guys, we're about to go deep into the event. I might not be able to cover much because I'll be working, and most times we only work with our phones, but I'll be able to cover a little more maybe when I'm going home, and I'll let you guys know how far. Most times events run as late as 11, 12, sometimes overnight, and if it's overnight, most clients are actually good enough to book a hotel. And this is another vlog. I'm bringing you more chit chat, travels, and more vlogging experience. I'm borrowing perfume. I want to smell nice. I'm borrowing the hair now. Yeah. Don't fleet me. I'm not smelling. Came to book this hotel to sleep over. So, I hear you. That is how event life is, nothing more. You ask you to sleep over, then they book hotel room for you to stay, and you sleep over and you enjoy yourself. So I'm going back to the event now because we're done booking the event. That's the event, the wine building. That is the hotel, I mean. The wine building is called, what do they call it? Spotter Suit. So we're going back now to the venue to serve and to be ordered around. People of God, see this girl. I told you guys, she takes 50 hours. Like, we went to book hotel room and came back. We spent like almost more than 30 minutes. She's not ready. She's not ready.
Right.
Just, let's see. Can you imagine the price? Oh God. Hey guys, so I am done for today. I'm on my way to the hotel to take my bag. I'm going home. I'm going home. It's about to 11 now, and I'm on my way home. I meant to take the normal way I came, like through public transport. To be safe, I'll be using Bolt or Uber. Just order a ride to go home. Yes, this is how the event is. Always rowdy a little, but today's one was really smooth. The event was nice, the clients were nice, so everything went smoothly, and I managed the food flow today, and it was a success. So guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll share other vlogging experience that you need to know, and stay tuned to my channel. This is Convo Pack. I love you. Bye.